Kani kadai ke Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Kaskul ba Ikfa University Meghalaya Shillong Campus. Haka arpu arterik mentau naiwing arajar katpra. Kala pelong ya ke Lympung Ïatai ke basisngi Halor ke pang pedeng ke baong haktian pareng. Inspiring the generation Y talent. Bat ya kini kejelang la pelong hapo naga community hall complex kabaran hapo Northern Hills Shillong. Hagani kejelang CEO ke Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society. Hakajo kapor ubolong ru special officer jong chief secretary kani kejela. Ushantanu Sharma ulalong kongsan. Haswa benyatai Halor ke pang pedeng balabo. Layo ru iki kentian lamprang Halor kaman na usyong kenor jong kekenhon North East Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society ubak prang roy. Haki kenta yang merjimut pan Halor kimat beper-beper lai simenta de kiriusim pang ki balapa hoki kam beper-beper bekitre. Lakalong ki betre kam lajong kumjo ki officer sarkar bat na kejeli jong kesan puli put.
So as you go through your course and discuss in this conclave, my humble request to you is that as you face the challenge of the world of today and tomorrow, it is important to learn that you, from your culture, from that traditional knowledge where you're born, you have learned something that is important and that you have to give and share, because it is in giving that you will receive. It is only in seeing the beauty of the diversity of the other person who may not look, who may not speak, who may not act or think like you, that you will see the beauty of the bio and cultural diversity, which is such a rich heritage of Northeast India.
T.
Come,